we are getting ready to take the Rowdyssey over to the Freedom Factory. Went over it yesterday, seems to be cruising good, so we've just been letting it warm up. And we're ready to head on over.
Gosh darn right we are.
To this little car meet we got going on today.
Yeah.
Should be pretty fun.
Real nice car meet. Yeah, old cleaner's place.
Yeah, so it's about a 45-minute drive for us. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the road.
We're gonna send it, no chase vehicle. We're gonna mob this whole thing.
Yep, taking just the van. No one else is following, so if we break down, we're screwed.
You ready for this, dude?
All good there.
Hell yeah, son. It's gonna be sweet.
Pretty tight, dude. We got here early, but
We got here way early and it's already starting to pack in, dude. Dude, please go up.
Oh, drop the stuff.
Go up. Go up.
Oh,
Little. Oh, it's falling. It's falling.
867. Go higher, bro.
Well, guys, we made it down to the Freedom Factory in the Rowdyssey. We got some music going on in the background over here, but we've just been hanging out. Starting to get dark, but we have definitely built up quite a crowd here. A lot of people rolling in, and we've just been having a blast hanging out with everyone, meeting fans. But right now we are getting ready to start up the Rowdyssey. We're gonna give the people some two-step real quick. Alright, do we want one more? One more? Alright. Alright, last one. These guys just love two-step, dude.
Spicy, dog. Spicy.
No, you would.
That's a good word right That shit's spicy, dog.
Hell yeah, dude. So we had an awesome time at the Freedom Factory last night, and right now it is currently a streetcar takeover here at Bradenton Motorsports Park. We're a little late because I forgot my helmet at the house, so we had to go back and get that. And right now we are getting ready to put the Rowdyssey in line for testing for the roll races. We got about an hour of testing right now. We actually just switched over to a new fuel. We're trying out some Ignite Red. We met Jay, the owner of Ignite. We've been meaning to get with these guys for a long time, so I'm really glad that we made the connection out here. And he hooked us up with some fuel, so we're putting it in the van right now to try it out. Hoping the tune isn't too far off. It shouldn't be too far off what a Pumpy 85 tune should be, but we just need to get the van in line and see where it's at, see how it's running, and go from there. So I'm getting suited up right now. We're gonna stick her in line and see how it does. All right, guys, got the Rowdyssey in line. Gonna make our first roll racing hit. See what she has in her.
So first hit didn't go so smooth.
No, it did not.
What
I
are
don't
we
know.
doing?
I mean, we went. There was no weight, so I put it right up in line and just went. I don't know if it was too cold still, because it could have been in the protection mode. Because I just did like a little baby hit on the test road on the way back, and it felt fine.
What was it doing when you were going down?
Just sputtering, breaking up.
Oh yeah.
So, but then I got it right there, and it didn't do that at all. So I'm just gonna double check everything. Turn off launch control because it was on too. Maybe the speed sensor could have been bugging out. Turn off all the protections for now.
Send it.
Let me see. Because yeah, I couldn't get the computer to connect to the radio, so I couldn't see how hot it was.
Right.
Because I was just in there like, you got to come up because I was rushed. Yep. So.
Well, we'll see what she does.
Well, we're getting ready to go up right now. Don't think the van's running 100%, but you know, we're in a field full of Corvettes and GTRs, and we're here with our minivan, so we'll give it our best shot. We actually went down to the 140 class. I was able to drop it a little bit, and yeah, we'll just see what happens. Yeah. I'm not too confident right now. we need Brent down here to help us tweak some things. I mean, we're going up against a Corvette on some drag radials, so not going to be too surprised here. Fuck. So that actually did way better. It said we did 136 on the computer. We're getting a redo because my dumbass stalled it, and then the other car kept going. So I was supposed to be the lead car. He kept going, and then on top of that, the timing light didn't work. The timing system didn't work after that. So we're gonna just run it again, and that will determine who moves on.
You tuning this thing?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Take the keyboard away, Bo.
I'm gonna call Brent, dude.
Pissed.
I was trying to call him. I was like, I need help. But I mean, I gave it
Help me out, dude. Yeah.
I did something right because that was a lot better than the last one.
Yeah.
Throwing that ignite in there, she's a little different.
Yeah.
She hits a little harder.
She hits, boy. Yeah.
Hits you
probably
like a
not
twisted tea.
Probably not the best time to try new fuels right before eliminations.
Hey,
On a
always the first
tune, on a
time.
tune that already wasn't exactly dialed.
Yeah. But you know what?
Wouldn't be boosted, boys.
Right. Wouldn't be our style.
Yeah.
He got us. Rowdyssey's definitely breaking up a little bit, but that was a lot closer. That's it, dude. Lost.
That's all she wrote, brother.
We went, what, like 131?
131.
Freaking
That was better.
It was better, but it's still, the fuel didn't look too bad, but it was
No.
breaking up pretty good, so I don't know if
Huh.
we need some like spark plugs or something.
We came and we tried.
Came and we tried. Freaking Rowdyssey needs a retune day and go through it because it's been sitting for so long. We haven't really ran it since that day at Bandamere when we raced the McLaren. That's the only time it's been ran hard. It's been sitting for a long time since then.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you know, we had to get it out and try, see what it did. It's still trapped 130, so there's some power there.
It didn't do bad for considering we didn't really prepare to take this at all. Like
Yeah, well, yeah, because the original plan was to come
2
in with
days
the
ago. Yeah, 2 days
Yeah,
ago
we were
like,
gonna
hey.
come with the MR2, but then that noise showed up, so
we had like 1 day to prepare, so
yeah, we didn't really have much time, but you know, we had fun.
kind of is what it is.
Yeah, I mean, I could put it back in line and try to test it again and
Yeah.
look at it, but
We'll come
going
out
here
swinging
for a
next
little
time, you know.
Yep.
It is what it is.
Yeah, she'll be back.
So just needs to take some time
We
and
still have to drive it home too.
get it
so
sorted. Yeah.
At least it didn't blow up.
Yeah. So
That's a plus.
on the bright side of things tonight.
Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. We had an adventure with the Rowdyssey, going over to the Freedom Factory and then attempting to run it at Streetcar Takeover, but had a couple issues. Definitely need to relook at the tune, go over some things, but like I said, we haven't touched this thing since we got down here. It was a super short notice. We had a blast though, and it's still running good overall. What's really weird is that after the event on the way back, I was getting it a little bit on the highway and it feels perfectly fine. You've probably seen the video. It sputters right before it comes into boost, but then once it hits, it was perfect and it was making way more boost on the highway and it felt like it was full power, but on the track it was only logging 20 pounds when it should be making closer to like 28, closer to 30 pounds. So, I don't know, it's been a little weird, guys, but that's just gonna do it. So we had a blast either way, so we'll see you guys in the next one.